All right, we are still on registration, and we're talking about registering batch students. Let's assume you have a lot of students to register and their batch. So first of all, you click on that. This is the sample which you should follow. So you have to open Microsoft Excel. All right, so Microsoft Excel is open. So you just let me minimize this a little bit so I can see everything that is happening here. So Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing they said is the first name. You have to write the columns, like just as you've seen it in that picture. You write the first name, middle name, the last name, the gender, the email. So after doing this, you can now start writing. You can space this like this. Okay, you can now start writing the names of the students. So let's assume I have Blessing 1-4, and I have Peter here, and gender, you just use F, female. And if it's, the child or the student has an email address, you can write an email address, but if not, you leave it empty. .com. So the next person come here, just like you've seen there. Let me use just like I've seen Bernard, Gideon, Uche, mail. So I just use Bernard at gmail.com. And the next person there is Kelechi Princess Chima, and that is a female. So let's assume I leave the email address blank. Now I say Oladele Adebayo Fashumi. Okay, and I say Oladele. Okay, sorry, I have to put in mail here. And come here and say Oladele at gmail.com. So after doing this, I have to save this somewhere. Now I come to save as. Okay, try to use save as, because the format you'll be saving this as won't be XLSX. It's going to be Excel 97 to 2003, Excel 97 to 2003. So this is what you should be saving as. The format, the save as type should be Excel 97 to 2003 workbook.xls alone, XLS. Then you can write this any whatever file name you want to use. I'm going to use batch student, and then you save it. I'm going to save this in my desktop, and I save. Okay, so let's continue. So I can close the Excel, come back to this portal where we were. Now you have to select the class. Now let's assume those people like those names I typed in Excel, they are all in JSS1, JSS1A. So I select JSS1A, and then I have to select the file, which is this batch student, which is selected right here, and then I click on register student. Now it's going to load, and it tells me it's successfully. Now you can see those students are now here. Okay, so they've been registered there already. Now we have Peter, we have Uche, Chima, we have Fashomi, all registered under JSS1A, and that is how we register batch students. If you would like to register batch students, and if you go over to search and you search for students, you see all of them there. If you want to search by class, scroll down and JSS1. It says 1A, and then we'll search, and it brings out all of them in JSS1A, which we just registered by batch. Okay, thank you.